Just heard that heading southwest over Cambridge. Right, let's see if I can figure out what that is on a radar site. Give me a minute, I'm still recording. I've got some radar sites open at the moment, so it shouldn't take long. So, right, just got to change the setting on here. It's only looking at military stuff at the moment. Okay, so something should be around here, if it's going to show up, that is. Ah, there you go, there's a helicopter. That's way off, as in ADS. If that's the same helicopter, then ADS-B is way behind where the actual helicopter is. The helicopter should be somewhere like here, so it's a couple of miles out, if that is the same one. Okay, let's show you. Yeah, that is it. Well, same colour scheme anyway, that. Oh, Royal Air Force. Haha. GZ100, Royal Air Force, Augusta Westlands, AW109. Okay. And like I said, I mean, the airport is there, more than a mile away from me. The airport's a mile long, 2 miles. That's 3, 4. ADS-B is about 4 or 5 miles out at the moment. It's not very good. Time's 12:53 p.m. Monday the 20th of March. Let's just have a look, see if we can see where that's come from. Follow the flight path. That starts showing up at Southend-on-Sea. Okay, let's have a quick look. Oh, what's that? That's Cargo Lux just about to land at Stansted. Okay, right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.